Hello, welcome back. This is day 17 of the 2022 LEGO Advent Calendar build and reveal. We've had 16 previous days, moving on to day 17. We're here at the bottom. And time to punch into it. Oh yeah, that's a good feeling. Oh, that's an interesting build. That looks like it might be a stand for the armor. A stand with the armor. Okay. I do like the colours of this one. All right, here we have it's 2 pieces. I'm going to guess that goes there. 3, 4, 5. We're going to go the arm here, 6. The second arm, 7. Oh, push that through so it's even. Looking like a bit of a snowman. And 8. 9. We might go over the 10. I'm going to put this second dot on the back. 10. And then, oh! Put the helmet on. It's not sitting there. I wonder if that's to do with the position of the arms. Anyway, we're going to have 11 pieces to this one, which is good. Keep pulling it apart. See how that sits. Won't really matter. It can just sit on there. It doesn't need to clamp down, although I would like it to. And I'm going to persist with it. That might be better. Okay. There we are. All right. There we have it. What are we up to? Day 17. Done. That's just not quite sitting there. Anyway, well, very odd. I think it is to do with that piece there. There we go. All right, all done. Very good. Join me, please. Day 18 coming up tomorrow. Bye for now.